One thing that I learned from this unit that I wanted to share with you guys is how to do a left join. So that is pretty much where we have items from one table and an item from another table that we want to join the first table. We only want one item from that table, and we're able to join them together to only show the first table and then one section of the other table. For this example, I wanted to use Colonial Adventures. So to do this, first we're gonna type in use Colonial, so it knows to pull from those tables, and then we are going to select. Say we wanted to do uh, customers in the state that they're from, and also the trips that are also in the same state, and we just want to have those organized side by side so we know which trips are in the same state as the customer. So we're going to do select, and for now we'll just type in C as in customer, and then we're going to do customer first name, and then we're going to add in customer last name. And then we're going to add in the customer state as well. And then, so if we wanted to pull the state from the trips, we could do trip state. So I'm going to specify t dot state here. And then I'm actually going to provide an alias for it so that we know that it's from the trips state. We're going to write trip state here. Okay. And then I think that's similar, right? Yes. Okay. So then we are going to add where we're pulling from. The main table that we want is the customer table because we're going to be doing a left join from the trip table. So we're going to do customer and provide the alias as C so that way it knows that the C dot is customer's table. And then we are going to do a left join, and we're going to specify from the trip table, and we're going to put it as T so it knows that we're pulling from the trip table for the T dot state. And then we are going to specify which ones we want to match. And for this case, you want the states to match. So we're going to do the keyword on, and we're going to specify C dot state is equal to T dot state. And then we're going to go ahead and execute it. And then that should give us the table of every customer that is in the same state uh, as a trip. So for in this case, Liam is in quite a few trips it's in the state with a lot of trips. And then uh, Brian is in a state that has a few trips. And then anything here that has null means that there was no match. So for Kyle and Joseph, there was no match for any trips that match the same state as the state they're currently in.